Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import your clips and keep them organized. Once done, set the resolution and aspect ratio, 9:16 for mobile reels, 16:9 for YouTube. Make sure to sort clips by length and energy so you can build momentum. You should also import any voiceover, music stems, and logo files now. This prevents interruptions later. This initial setup makes editing efficient and keeps your creative flow intact. Now you edit with intent. Trim to the moment and cut filler because short attention spans reward tight pacing. Use multiple tracks, place B-roll above A-roll, add text on its own layer, and keep music separate for quick level changes. Once clips are laid out, add transitions sparingly and use keyframes to create smooth motion. This gives professional polish. Make sure to apply a consistent color preset, or LUT, across clips, so your content reads as a cohesive series. Finish by fine-tuning audio levels, checking captions, and exporting with H.264 at a solid bitrate for your resolution. This balances quality and file size. Once exported, preview the file on the target device to confirm playback and framing. If the platform requires captions or thumbnail crops, create those now and re-export a trimmed version. If something goes wrong, export hangs or quality drops, clear Capcut cache, lower bitrate, or export in 2 parts and stitch externally. That usually resolves stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.